Ali Kaba. This is my channel called Cam Vlogs. The K stands for Kaba and Motorsports, as you can see, A and M. So I would like you guys to please comment, like, and subscribe. It takes just a few seconds. I know you just skip through. Go back and please comment, like, and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and it means that you guys enjoy these videos and I can make more for you guys. So today what we're gonna be talking about, not talking about really, but what I will be showing you guys would be my C63s. It's a 2019 model. The first modification that I've done to it is, as you can see in the description, is the FI catless downpipe that I've installed. I also lowered it with H&R springs, but that obviously I cannot show you guys, but I can show the stance later on in another video that I'll be doing drive-bys and stuff like that, because right now I cannot, because it is cold outside. It is, I think, even snowing right now, and the car does not have winter tires on. So and for all those people that would be like, oh, but why are you not driving the car, this, that, it is because I currently do have another car, and I do not want to drive this car in the winter due to the fact that it is very low and I have a slope going up my driveway, and obviously getting the car in was hard, and imagine if I get it out, how am I going to get it in? Tough. So without further ado, let's get right in this video. So as y'all can see, I told you that first of all, I could never make it out with how low this car is. Y'all can see the stance between this one and that one. Actually, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's kind of like a huge gap. Obviously, mid-size SUV, sports car. Okay, we're gonna get in there and we're gonna start it up. Actually, I'm going to give you guys a little insight on how to turn on this car. There is something called the AMG motion start, where you hold up one paddle when turn on the car. The car, actually, I'm not gonna put it in race mode or sport plus. I'll keep it in I'm actually low and feel. I'm gonna keep it on comfort mode, and I'm gonna hold this and I'm gonna get the loudest start up. I haven't started this car up in like months, so let's go. I'm gonna turn put down the window here for you guys. I'm gonna press the brake, press the gas, hold this. Always a pleasure turning this car on. first thing first, it was actually so fuming in this garage. It was smelling like just a lot of CO2 emissions. But apart from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's more videos coming up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I know some of you guys, a lot of you guys skipped this video to get to the part where I was revving the car. But please go scroll down, comment, like, and subscribe. It's much appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.